Hey everybody, Bobby Deen here. I've got a great recipe for you. Happy Mother's Day, by the way, everybody. Got a great recipe for you today that I think you're really going to like. Really simple, as most of our recipes are. We're starting with plum tomatoes, beautiful plum tomatoes cut, and they're on a prepared dish, which means that I've put some olive oil on the dish. That's all that means. And I'm going to combine a few really great ingredients here, and we'll top our tomatoes with them and bake them in the oven. The ingredients are, so you know it's going to be delicious. Melted butter. I don't know if you want to get in there, Ed. Melted butter, a little salt, lemon zest, pepper. I'm sorry, I said lemon zest. It was garlic. There's the lemon zest. I'm going to go ahead and whisk these ingredients together. That's a good combination of ingredients right there. Brightness is really going to show up in this recipe. And to that, we will add breadcrumbs and pecans. Pecan. We've done this before. Pecan. And I'm just going to go ahead and combine all of these ingredients. This recipe is really quick and easy. I've got the oven hot at 450, preheated. And these ingredients are quick to marry. And I should have a spoon here. Yeah, I do. We're going to put a tablespoon, roughly, on top of each tomato. This is an interesting recipe to me.
That smells so good. The mixture smells so good.
Oh, really? Okay, great. Yeah, I got it too. But
it's garlic candy.
It's wonderful. Yeah, it's wonderful. This recipe is going to be. I'm interested in this. This is the first time I've made it. This is from my mom's magazine, but I like all of the ingredients, so I think it's going to be a winner.
This
so let's
will
get
go well with your salmon and couscous.
It will. I wish that I could form these into. Let's see, maybe I can. It's kind of loose. It's okay. Every tomato gets a little bit of the topping, and then we'll come back over with some leftovers. And this looks great. And all I'm going to do is put this in the oven at 450 for about 6 to 8 minutes. And they will be ready to enjoy. I could have probably done a tighter job on the topping, but that's okay. This is for me. Okay, so to the oven, simple as that. So we'll be back in about 6 to 8 minutes. Our tomatoes are out of the oven. They look and smell so good. The garlic is really prominent. The only thing they're missing is a little bit of color. So I've got some fresh parsley here and some basil. Just going to give this parsley a quick chop, 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 chop. And Mom is having some friends over this afternoon, so I'm going to save these for Mom and her guests. And these will be a nice little afternoon hors d'oeuvre with their lemonade or sweet tea or whatever Mom is going to serve.
I think we need a loaf of French bread and some steamed mussels.
French bread? Oh, gosh. Some steamed mussels. That's an inside joke for Ed. A little bit of basil on top. And you know what I'm going to do, guys? I am going to, because it's just begging for it. It's looking right at me going, please, 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 please. So I'm going to do it. Just a little bit of olive oil. Drizzled right on top. That looks very, very good. I'm not going to touch them because some people are coming over and that's hot. But these make a great hors d'oeuvre, dinner party. You could put these at the center of the table and have them as a side dish with your chicken or your steak or whatever it is that you're eating. So a beautiful roasted lemon pecan tomatoes. Plum tomatoes, pecans, breadcrumbs, butter, garlic, lemon zest, little olive oil and fresh basil, and parsley. Beautiful. Bon appetit.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.